Hey, what's up, fellow fishermen? I'm back with another video, and today, what is that? Grandparents gave it to me. It's pretty fun. I just needed a charger. Yeah. So today, I'm filming this a day before the actual video. So it's right now. It's nighttime. So tomorrow, which tomorrow's Sunday, I will be making the actual video. I'm just doing my intro tonight. So, tomorrow, I'm going to be making some homemade silencers. Yeah, now, I'm not going to be shooting anything. I know they work. If you want to double check, go check out, Hickok 45, oil suppressor, something like that. And, he'll show you how they work and stuff. I'm just going to be showing you how to make them. I don't have the exact parts for, like a threaded barrel and stuff. I don't have those. So if you're going to make one, you'll just have to get the threaded stuff for the threaded barrel for yourself. But I think I can make a homemade one to actually fit the threaded barrel. I'm saying threaded barrel a lot. Once again, I'm not shooting. I'm most likely not going to be making any shooting videos. I might. It's kind of risky, but I'll probably start off with BB guns. Yes, BB guns. And, yeah. So, I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. So, guys, I want to give Sniper 3D Assassin Shoot to Kill a big shout out because it's a really cool, I guess, game that's really addicting. I thought anyway. There's a whole bunch of guns. Here's some snipers. Here's some carbines. They have some carbines in a sniper shape, I guess. Sniper model. And here's a couple more. And here's some assault rifles, which they can be pricey. They'll get really. Here's some shotguns. And here's some pistols. Pistols, it is weird. They do come with a scope. I don't know why. It's kind of weird. One thing you can't do in this game is walk. So I'm going to show you what you can do. Here's some different missions and stuff you can do. So I'm going to do this one. We're going to wait for it to load. Now, forgive me for this, but another bad thing about this is that, like, ads. So I'm going to go ahead and zoom in, and I'm going to shoot. It has this really cool camera effect, and it's going to hit him right in the face. Hopefully I don't get demonetized. This video won't get demonetized, and, yeah. It's really addicting, and you do have, like, energy things that you have to wait for. Okay, so this video, I'm going to be showing you how to make a suppressor. Yes, it's an oil can. So I'm not gonna drill it right now. Drill another one. But basically what you want to do is drill a hole at the end, straight through. You want to drill from the top, so like that. So basically, and then there'll be these gaskets around it, right at the end. You want to take those out. And then, yes, I know this looks really bad. It's the only colors I had. But, basically, all you need is the, suppressor, like, adapter. You want to screw it onto the end right there. And then, screw the, silencer adapter onto your, onto the threaded barrel. So yes, now if you these were used, so I had to clean these up a lot. So here's a used one. I have not drilled. So right down there is a I believe a one-way valve for the oil to go through into the side. But you gotta take those out, not unless you can drill through it. And yeah, I'll be doing a drilling. I'll drill a hole after this clip, and then I will clean it, show you how to clean it if you have the proper tools. If you don't, I'm gonna be using a cleaning tank. If you don't have one, use like brake cleaner or whatever. But yeah, that's it. So yeah. So now what you want to do is you want to clean it. We'll pop this out. You might need a screwdriver. Pop that off. There. Then you're done. So, yeah. Now what you want to do, just get it back out. You just clean off these. Well, you already cleaned it off. You just gotta, get all the solution off. Now, if you guys want more videos like this, give me suggestions, or I will just, I'll try and do what you guys want to do, or what you guys want me to do. No. Then, after after this, you can just clean it. Well, I've said that millions of times, but you can paint it. You just got to get all the solution off because it'll be oily. And yeah, so that's how you make a silencer. So guys, I want to thank you for watching this video. Yes, it came out. It's a really random video, I guess you could say. But if you want more videos like that, or if you want like some mechanical videos, or just any type of videos, let me know and I'll try to do them. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment, share it to all your friends and family. And yeah, I want to thank you guys for watching, and peace out.